It's fun time! Yay!
The gentle giant elephant, Elara, awakens at dawn beside a wide river now swelling with recent rains.
The tiny family of 5 possums, Pippin, his wife Pippa, and their 3 babies Posy, Puck, and Pearl.
Pippin sniffs the air and warns of impending storms.
Elara trumpets softly to greet the day while dipping her trunk into the rising waters.
The possums climb higher in their tree as droplets begin to fall.
Pippa gathers the babies close under a broad leaf.
Dark clouds roll in faster than expected.
Elara notices the river's current quickening and moves to higher ground.
Posy spots Elara from afar and remembers their past kindness. She squeaks to her family about seeking the elephant's help again.
Pippin agrees as thunder booms overhead. They dash through underbrush toward Elara's path. Elara hears their tiny calls and pauses her ascent. She lowers her trunk to lift Posy first onto her back.
Puck clambers up next with Pippa's nudge. Pearl trembles but follows.
Pippin leaps aboard last as rain pours in sheets. Elara trudges uphill with the possums clinging tightly.
Water rises rapidly below them, swallowing low-lying plants. A distant roar signals the flood's full fury.
Elara explains that floods come from mountain rains.
The possums huddle together, feeling the elephant's steady heartbeat.
Lightning illuminates the chaos as trees bend in wind.
Elara reaches a rocky plateau just in time.
Waves crash against the base, sending spray upward.
Pippa comforts Pearl with tales of sunny days.
Posy peers over Elara's ear at the submerged jungle.
Puck asks how long the flood will last.
Elara rumbles that patience is key in nature's trials.
They spot floating debris, including fruits bobbing by.
Elara extends her trunk to snag a cluster of bananas.
She shares them carefully with her tiny passengers.
The possums nibble gratefully amid the downpour.
Night falls early, under the storm's shadow.
Elara stands vigilantly, shielding them from gusts.
Thunder shakes the ground, but she remains unmoved.
Posy curls up, dreaming of adventures.
Puck plays a quiet game with fallen leaves. Pearl whispers thanks to Elara's warm hide. Pippin scouts for safer spots from atop her head.
Dawn breaks, with waters still high, but rain easing.
Elara tests the slope, finding it slippery.
She waits for drier conditions. The possums forage nearby for nuts washed ashore.
A rainbow arcs faintly through lingering clouds.
Elara teaches them about flood cycles and preparation.
Pippa demonstrates playing dead to distract any lurking predators.
Sudden waves surge higher, threatening their perch.
Elara backs up quickly, saving them all. Posy cheers her heroism. Puck slips on wet rock, but Elara catches him.
Pearl clings tighter, learning trust.
The family discusses building a raft if needed.
Tiny possum teeth gnaw vines for bindings. They construct a sturdy platform. Waters recede slightly, allowing a test float. Elara pulls it with her trunk like a boat.
The possums ride aboard, scanning for home.
Birds return, signaling safety.
A monkey swings by sharing news of flooded dens.
Elara offers aid to others stranded.
The possums help by spotting small creatures in need. Together, they rescue a family of frogs.
Posy bonds with a baby frog during the save.
Puck invents a game of flood survival. Pearl sings a soft tune to calm everyone.
Pippin thanks Elara for her unwavering support.
As waters lower more, the jungle reveals muddied paths.
Elara leads the way, clearing branches. The possums alert her to hidden pitfalls.
They reach their old hollow tree, now half submerged. Pippa sighs, but sees opportunity for a new start. Elara helps dig a higher burrow nearby.
Tiny paws and massive trunk work in harmony.
Sunset paints the sky as they finish. The family invites Elara to rest. Elara curls nearby like a guardian.
Stars emerge clear after the storm.
Posy asks about elephant flood legends.